Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Jeep Patriot Sport, stock reference number 4805. This shape runs from the 5th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine, backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand corner lamp, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Hayman Reese towbar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom. Left neck. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent. Right front door has the light fold on the rear edge. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black center console, manual type, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. And a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.